Looking at the future, I think AI will be part of our life. I believe that there will be some regulations. There will be something controlling these unimaginable explosions of the AI that could disastrous to human race. I am Professor Ardhendu Behera, and I am a professor of computer vision and artificial intelligence. The core research is AI and vision. However, those research need to be adapted or make into fit into different applications. For example, early detection of the cancers. So there are two projects, both are sponsored by Cancer Research UK. The first one is for the pancreatic cancers, and the second one is lung cancer. There is no known symptoms or nothing, no non-biomarkers that can easily detect these things earlier. We are going to look into prior symptoms which GP might have noted down, or during your hospital visit they might be noted down. Identifying some pattern, some relationship between data somewhere. Can we provide some cue or some information so that the screening will be more streamlined or focused? That's not only going to save life, but also going to be cost effective. The Attract project, it was a brilliant idea to enhance the technological capability of our military. One of the main problems is how to prioritize the level of injury of the soldiers. Then we thought about this drone-based system, so they can penetrate a swarm of drone. They can go very low so that enemy can't see them, and then search for the injured soldiers. It will come closer to the soldier and then make a kind of a initial very rough assessment and send it to the base where the medics will be looking into it. They are going to decide whether the soldier is going to survive or not. Because if somebody is not going to survive, you are not going to send the rescue team and make the other soldier's life in danger. It involved Ministry of Defense ethics, medical ethics, AI ethics, all combining together, taking an intelligent decision we haven't seen so far in any technological market. The third project we are now successful is going to start from April, which is UK justice systems. So the criminal justice system to look into evidence, digital evidence, DNA, and how those informations can be analyzed digitally and allow AI to track those informations and provide better support for the justice system as an evidence rather than taking a decision. At the moment, everything is manually collected and kept it, and very laborious, time-consuming. How technology, combinations of the imaging, AI, and DNA analysis all come together and provide a better identifications, and not only identifying the victims and as well as the offenders, but also the track so that the jury, the judge, they can see those informations, how it evolved, and that will help them to find out the culprit or something like that. AI is going to work alongside human or people, and the future has quite a lot of potential. I say jobs perspective, opportunities into day-to-day basis. You can live without phone. Often we carry a laptop with you. Same thing will be happen as a part of our life now.